West Karbi Anglong Congress Committee visit Mukro on 1st December. Birseng KAL School dilapidated. What steps would Richard Togby, EM in charge education of KEEC take? Pothat Langso Press Club demanded evidence from Kangbura killing EM KEEC for his claim of press corps as terrorists. Important notice. As per the direction of Block Development Officer of Lumbajong Development Block, beneficiaries of MGNREGA job cards are directed to link their Aadhaar seeding into MGNREGA database by 7th of December, failing which would be barred from further MGNREGA schemes. The said notice also implies with the members of National Social Assistance Program. Beneficiaries can avail Aadhaar card seeding with MGNREGA job cards at the office of Lumbajong Development Block, Manja. Hello viewers, good morning and welcome to KAL Live English Prime Time with Julie Baby. Now the news in details. On 1st of December, delegations from West Karbi Anglong Congress Committee visited the site of the unfortunate firing that had taken place on 22nd of November between timber smugglers and Forest Department at Mukro. The team was led by Singh Teron, President of West Karbi Anglong Congress Committee, Augustine Inghi, Satro Teron, Kareng Phangchopi and several eminent Congress leaders took part of the visit. While speaking to us, it was informed that firstly, people from border states should not trespass each other's integral boundary and maintain peace and tranquility at the border region. Secondly, the interstate boundary demarcated in the year 1951 with due agreement from both the state government and central government must be followed, and the government of Assam should be very conscious to not give away even an inch of land to Meghalaya. Meghalaya administration had set up a police camp within the territory of Assam's West Karbi Anglong district. Adding a note to that, a question was also asked to the Chief Executive Member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, and Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma. Why are they not paying any heed on this matter? It is because of the adoption of give and take policy.
Je Home Sarkar aru Meghalaya Sarkar ji বুজাবুজি চুক্তি হৈছে গিভ এণ্ড টেক পলিচি এই গোপন বুজাবুজি গিভ এণ্ড টেক পলিচি এই কাৰণে আমাৰ মাটি কাৰ্বি আংলং আৰু অসমৰ মাটি 2 কিলোমিটাৰ আঁতৰত আজি আমি পিছুৱা হ'বলগীয়া হৈছে। এইটো দুৰ্ভাগ্যজনক আৰু আমি এইটো নিন্দা কৰিছোঁ যাতে অসম চৰকাৰ ষ্ট্ৰংভাৱে কাৰ্বি আংলং স্বায়ত্তশাসিত পৰিষদে ষ্ট্ৰংভাৱে এইটো সিদ্ধান্ত ল'ব লাগিব।
Also, no any arrangement of lightning solar system had been made for the forest guard, and constructive steps to seize the racket of timber smuggling from the West Karbi Anglong must be taken from the government of Assam.
যে কাৰ্বি আংলং আৰু অসমৰ মাটি যাতে 1 ইঞ্চি যাতে হিভাল টিভাল হ'ব নোৱাৰে সেইটো অলপ আমি পশ্চিম কাৰ্বি আংলং জিলা কংগ্ৰেছ কমিটিয়ে ষ্ট্ৰংভাৱে আমি সিদ্ধান্ত লৈছোঁ ভৱিষ্যত যাতে এইটো হ'ব নোৱাৰে আৰু যিসকল ইয়াত স্থানীয় ব্যক্তিবিলাক যাতে এইটো যিসকল ইয়াত গছ গছনিবিলাক কাটি তহিলং কৰিছে সেইটো চুৰ এইবিলাক বন মাফিয়াবিলাকক অতি সোনকালে শীঘ্ৰে এইবিলাক তদন্ত কৰি হেঁতক কঠোৰ শাস্তি বিহা কৰিবলৈ কাৰণে আমি অসম চৰকাৰক কাৰ্বি আংলং স্বায়ত্ত পৰিষদ মই অনুৰোধ কৰিছোঁ।
Something in this report from Jirikendeng for KAL Live. Birseng KAL School, located in West Karbi Anglong, Amri constituency, was built in 1979, and this time around it had completed 54 successful years of service. The school is one of the popular and oldest school at the region. After 54 years of existence, section of the school building had collapsed and the remaining section of the school building is also dilapidating due to the negligence from the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. The condition of the school building is life-threatening to the students. Not even a single pillar is stable and not even a single door of the building is in a good condition.
Council kachari bom arling ithe EMCM atumpan lase prajing pen labang so school Birseng KAL school apan akimi kipi tuja pan si juning ri dun partik lo
ande sumar bang an ondar
sumar ke bang harus sirang koi do
As Dr. Tuliram Longhang, CEM of KAAC-led government priorities education sector at this hour of time, time would tell us what would Richard Dogby, EM in charge of education of KAAC and education department, take up to revolutionize education sector of KAAC on the ground.
Class ni do nang kong ni to an usuma chichinat pot ilong versi bank to mo te ke thanta problem pik ihin ke nang lang dun prong po an hai problem na sinili tum Dr. Sinki school at teachers pen il tum na chunuri dun ji ke arleng ke the council long kachari arleng ke the dun pani tum ke chunuri council man ke ili tum han prapjin pen la school building na nang tison te.
Citizens appeal the concerned authority to provide new school building, desks and benches. To uplift the education sector, it should start from the foundation course, right from the lower primary section.
Kulman me podi New York me ulang ma hinola New York hinola setting hab dulang ma vela
Marirong Par's report from Ulukunchi for KAL English Live. On 15th of November, Kangbura Killing, EM of KAAC, landed in a controversy after his telephonic conversation with a journalist was leaked online, in which he made a comparison of press corps and terrorists as the two faces of the same coin. This had sparked outrage among the media fraternity and the citizens of Karbi Anglong as a whole. With reference to it, Wathat Langso Press Club argued during a press conference called on 1st December. Various press clubs of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong had argued and condemned Kangbura Killing executive member over his statement over press corps as terrorists. Likewise, Wathat Langso Press Club on Thursday called for a press conference and condemned over his remark. Wathat Langso Press Club during a press conference stated that we are not only working for our own, but we are working for everyone. We are the one who visit the ground for reporting and then bring the issues and grievances of the deprived people to the light in front of everyone.
Lasi inut Kangbura Killing abangke akai rap ke hello pigalam sinil tum han kalili kalang lang nam kar bok abangke nil tum ningduk piglo lasi alang liphan labang sukani ye dara putha abangke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council along pen aku pen hekvet nangi pusinil tum ahin pen chunuri pati krim lo.
Being an executive member, Kangbura Killing took the oath to serve as the people's representative throughout the term. But today, not even a year had passed, he had shown his true colors by labeling media fraternity as terrorists. Therefore, he has to appear the evidence as on what basis did he compare press corps with a terrorist.
Inut IM pule kangri kangkrang ahut pen kalili kalang lang karbok tap karbok pru labang alang ni kente rada phan ke lam cari thagia bang fuluma rada tum bang ke alang ni phan kang hon longi mane ni tum phan radi mane posi alang ni phan wuk chu pipen si alang ni phan pahailo sita me pinia ni bang ke lahai lamkang thermate nongno ke jo bang si rada atheno klang roka bang ke nani chu thera ta chu thera nangji lasi nani Kangbura Killing nani ke em ke chonangi atheng kali posi ni tum thera ke hinpen jonggam thipji.
Wathat Langso Press Club also questioned Kangbura Killing over his capability to serve the people under the influence of alcohol. Says, you must be ashamed of yourself for using invective language under the influence of alcohol. You are incompetent to be in the EM's bird. Pratap Kathar's report from Wathat Langso for KAL English Live. Thank you for watching KAL English Live. Have a great day.